Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today we're going to talk about this phenomenal and super tall artificial plant tree that this brand sent to me for this video. This thing is actually pretty tall. It's 83 inches tall. You can see I'm 5'10", and this thing surpasses me like super long. I gotta tell you, it comes with an assemble process that is gonna take you, no joking, 5 to 7 minutes, no more than that. I'm gonna show that one to you. But the thing is, this one comes with also a heavy base. It would be really good if you want, you can add some like decorational rocks, like blacks and white rocks or something like that, some pebbles or some gravel, not to add weight because this thing is actually quite heavy already, but just to make it a little bit more decorational, you know? Let's take a closer look. So I left those on purpose so you can see that you have the arrows and the indicators to actually put piece by piece. One goes with one, two goes with two, three goes with three, and then on and on and on. So you're gonna do that for all the branches and get it down in about, no joking, 5 to 7 minutes. But then from the bottom, you can see how nice the leaves are as well as the branches. They're super nice and thick. They look super vivid as well, I got to say. And of course, this is gonna be really nice for any corner, for any house, for kind of like decorational purposes. This is gonna be really nice for a kitchen or a living room, for example. But I gotta tell you, I'm loving this plant. My wife actually loves this as well. This is gonna be your new plant in this corner. Guarantee that you're gonna like it as well. I totally recommend it. It looks phenomenal, and it's also a nice prop and decoration for your house. 100% recommend the thumbs up.